Hi, welcome to this week's version of Technique Tuesday. I'm Adrian at Physical Therapy Connections, and I'm going to show you two things that you should be able to do for ankle mobility and hip mobility. The first one that we're going to do is with your foot 4 inches away from the wall, with your heel down, you should be able to touch your knee easily to the wall. Okay? And that's for proper ankle mobility. Second thing you should be able to do from a laying down position is raise your leg so that your ankle is higher than or equal to your knee. Okay? If you're not able to do that, this is one thing you can do to help improve a little bit passively or active assist motion with that leg raise. So even if you just do this a few repetitions at a time, holding it for a breath exchange, maybe deep breath in and a breath out, several sets and several repetitions, you should be able to improve your range of motion easily. And that's your Technique Tuesday for the week. Thanks.